Today's a big day. We're gonna move our little buck in with the girls, the two girls, and settle down, boy. We're getting ready to go. I hope I don't kill him. That's what I'm worried about. I don't mean literally kill him, but it's gonna be interesting. So, all right, so I'm gonna get him out of here and grab him and put him in there, and let's see how he does. All right, calm down, calm down. Come on. He went straight to the food. I don't know, he's about the same size as him, ain't he? Mm-hmm. He's not as meaty. Well, this is interesting. I didn't see it's going exactly like this. I thought they might be a little fighting, and they might be yet. He went right to the food like he was somebody. One goat don't much care for him. He's like, wait a minute. That's your new husband there, big girls. I know you didn't have no choice. You better go over and eat. You better get over and eat. He's going to eat all your food. Uh-oh. That's how he shows his dominance. That's interesting. Did you back down? I gotta throw some hay down. Here's the big boy. Now, stands over here. We're gonna move this big boy over there in that other stall where he was, and wing him. Then we're gonna sell him. Let they turn his food over. So he's a lot stouter than the other one. I don't know if he can get through that or not. I thought this would go a lot harder than it would, but I figured them girls would eat him up. But they're kind of a little bit shy of him, so we'll keep you updated on him, and we kept him isolated for a little while. I don't think he was weaned when we got him, so that was one thing. He just cried and cried and cried, and hopefully this right here will get him back to normal, where you don't have to be so dang loud. So, but anyway, what's wrong? Are you upset? Are you upset? I think the girls are upset about it. But we'll see how it works out. All right, we'll keep you informed.
Yeah.
More fruit trees like we was talking about on the live, and they came a couple of days ago and they actually got wet. Came up gully washer when they was sitting out here. And, I just want to show you how big this box was. I think it's one of the biggest boxes I've ever gotten. I've ordered golf clubs and stuff, and it's only been this big. So we're gonna take it out and go plant them. And I think it's 2 pears and a peach. And of course we'll just kind of show you these trees, and we'll show you them after we get them planted. Ain't no sense just watching dig a hole. So this one's starting to bloom. Boy, these are nice. These are super nice. Real branched and everything. All right, so you can see these, and we're gonna go get them in a hole, and hopefully they'll do okay. So we'll show them after we get them dug. Before we get started on planting the trees, these are some of the tomatoes I grew. These are some of the tomatoes I grew to sell, and I'm really proud of them. They turned out really well. They're really beautiful, and these are all sold. Sold them today. They're Cherokee Purple and Mortgage Lifter. Cherokee Purple and Celebrity. And so this might be a new little venture we'll probably be getting into, especially when we get our store down the road. And I wanted to have it done by now so we can set these out. But like I said, these are already sold, and they're really pretty. So just thought you'd be interested. Okay, we got them all 3 in, and well, actually, kind of the greenhouse is right there, and here's this little 3-tree. Well, to my right, to your left, will be that little 3-tree apple orchard I showed in another video. So we're just kind of extending it out a little bit with these pears. This is a moon glow, and this right here turned out really nice. I mean, this came here really nice, branched and everything. Now this is our first. Well, we got the Japanese pears, but this is our first regular pear. These 2. So this is something new for us, and I don't really like them all that much, but you know, we watched the British baking show and they baking into a lot of stuff, so we're going to try that when it ever come in. So that's the moon glow, and this little stick over here, this one right here, is a sickle. And it looks like a stick. I hope I don't run over it with the tractor or something like that. So, and then we put the peach. We put it over there in the regular new orchard that we've spent a lot of time in that. It's right over that way. And it's a Saturn peach, and I think it's supposed to be self-fertile. So we have 2 other peaches that's down behind the high tunnels, and I can't remember exactly what they are. Alberta maybe. 2 of those, and then we got 2 plums down there. So we need to work on that one pretty bad. We need to work on all of them really, but those down there we really got to spend some time with. So I hope you liked the video. We're going to end it right here. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer, and we'll see you down there at the farm next video.